Let's differentiate this function of functions using this chain rule. And anytime you see a composite function, do not be confused. First, we are having two functions here. The first one is this, and the second one is the one that's already defined. So we say let u equal to x squared plus 3. So from here, you now say y is equal to u raised to the power of 5. These are the two functions. So du, the x, you are differentiating u with respect to x. So you say du, the x equal to, if you differentiate x squared using this power rule, you will get 2. Because if here is invisible 1, 2 times 1 is 2. X, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1. So if you differentiate 3 is 0. You keep this. Now, dy, du, we are differentiating with respect to u. So 5 times invisible 1, we have 5. U, 4 minus 1 will give us 5 minus 1 will give us 4. So we're done with this. Using the rule, the y, the s is equal to the y, the u times the u, the x. This is called chain rule. So to solve this chain rule problem, we have to use this formula. So anywhere you see dy du, which is this, you apply it and say dy dx is equal to 5 u raised to the power 4 times du dx. Du dx is 2x. So 2x times 5, you have dy dx equal to 2 times 5 is 10. You have 10x. Our u is what? S squared plus 3. Open bracket. S squared plus 3. Okay? Then raise to the power what? 4. So this becomes our final solution. Now, if you are asked to solve this question in an objective exam, we have what we call shortcuts. Okay? So what is dy dx of this question? And yeah, would be enough for us to solve it for the shortcut. Okay? What should we do? First, dy dx is equal to what? This is y equal to x squared plus 3 all raised to the power of 5. And when you are asked to solve it in an objective question, you say dy dx equal to, this is x squared plus 3 all raised to the power of 5. You keep it down, x squared plus 3 all raised to power. Now, applying this power rule, this is n, this is 5, okay? This is 1, this is a. 5 times invisible 1 is 5, alright? You write down 5. Then that is a n. Then 5 minus 1, you write down 4. This function is x alone here, but here we have x squared plus 3. But here is only s. So I wouldn't stop here. I'll continue. I'll differentiate this, which has replaced this x. We are seeing x squared plus 3. And here is only x. So I have to differentiate x squared plus 3. If I differentiate x squared plus 3, I'll get 2x. So dot 2x. So 5 times 2x will give me 10x into x squared plus 3, all raised to the power 4. Beautiful. So this is the answer to this question in less than 2 minutes. So, you see, check it. This is correct. That is correct. For theory question, for objective question, always prioritize the type of exam you're writing. If you're writing an objective question, this should be your target. If you're writing a theory-based question, this should be your target. Do not prepare or objective question uses this long process. Bye.